Good morning, traders. Today's the 4th of November 2021. Just want to give you a quick update of the market. S&P 500 continue to push higher. However, I do see this is looking a bit exhausted now. I know yesterday the Fed meeting actually pushes the price higher, but you can see it's not much following through at the moment. It's very healthy that we are going to see a little bit of pullback on S&P 500 actually. I like to see price come back to around the 4,500 area, which is the new monthly pivot, and coincide a lot of with the support resistance zone and the EMA. So yeah, it wouldn't be bad if we can see a slow phase two and come to this area to go long again. It will certainly benefit some of the stocks that we're looking to trade as well. Next chart that we're gonna quickly have a look is the Nasdaq. Similar things, is now top of the channel right now, so you can see, yeah, resistant. So we could potentially in here retrace back to the monthly pivot area, which is around 15,380 area. We'll obviously analyze that closer to the time. Dollar index is not the cleanest of it all, but we can see price are actually still on a daily uptrend, hasn't changed yet unless this is a 93.20 area is broken. So I do see price potentially may go up to around the 95 area, so the monthly R2 area. So yeah, around the 95 area. That's what I'm thinking. So dropping down to the smaller time frame, you can see multiple times we found support around the 93.80 area. So I'm looking to buy dollar short term, but I don't actually trade dollar index. I'm looking to trade the euro dollar today. As you can see, we are trending downward at the moment, so we are still bearish. And today you can see, yesterday the Fed meeting tried to push up, but everything has been rejected. Now sellers gaining control, dropping down to hourly. You can see already we are having a change of trend on the hourly. I marked this blue box area around the 115.90 area, coincide with the monthly pivot. I will look for a retest around this area to go short. Then target, probably optimistic, around this bottom channel 11445 area. Reason being is if you look across all other dollar pairs, they are having a phase two at the moment, daily phase two. So we should see some gain on the dollar. So euro being one of the weakest currency, I like to sell the dollar against the euro. I like to buy the dollar against the euro. So I like to sell the euro. So this is my plan for the week, and then we'll obviously analyze it again in the weekend for next week's plan. If you have any question, let us know. Otherwise, happy trading.